Hi guys, today I'm gonna open this Aphmau MeeMeows, and there's a mystery plushies. I cannot get whatever I want. There's just the mystery inside, so I cannot see anything. We will get the tiger or the zebra or the monkey or the bee or the panda or the giraffe or the elephant or the, I forgot what this called. What is this called, Mom?
Can you show it closer? We cannot see it.
The rainbow thing.
Can you see?
Caterpillar.
Oh.
Caterpillar. I now remember. So let's open it. Caeli Fun TV. Okay, I know how to open it because I think I see a way right here. Okay, now I opened it, so let's go see what's inside. I wonder what plushie I got. I'm so excited to open it. Now let's open, oh, baby here, or I think we have to open here, so first like this, and now we open, oh my goodness, it's starting. I don't know how to open. I see it, oh my goodness. I don't know how to open it. I want to be very careful. Oh, just pull it. Okay. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. Oh. It works. Let's see what's inside. Oh.
Wow!
This is a zebra. Oh, so
cute.
Oh my goodness. Hey, choo. Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Can I see? Ooh.
Oh, look at that plushie.
Wee!
Look at the plushie. I like my Aphmau it's plushie toy. It's in my head. Look at it. Ah! Okay, it's so cute. Look at it. Okay, now I'm ending the video. So bye! And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!